Hey everyone, how's it going? So here I have the Eero from Amazon, Eero 6. This is the latest Eero that has a fast, reliable Wi-Fi 6 now. And it comes with 3. So 1 router and 2 mesh router. And this can cover up to 5,000 square feet and speed up to 500 megabytes per second. Now, the 500 is for the mesh router. The actual router itself can go up to, can support up to 900. And first glance, it looks really nice. It looks very premium compared to the original version. Now here is one of the mesh routers. So you don't have any Ethernet port on those ones, just a charge. And here's the second one, and then this should be the router itself. You have 1 in and 1 out Ethernet, so you really only have 1 out port. And a lot of people might complain about this, but if you're not a gamer, this should be suitable for most user, as everything is wireless now. Okay. And of course, you have your welcome package. But that's it. And then your power cord should be on the bottom. Take a look at this. So these are blocks power cord. I have mixed feelings about this, because if you're using a extension multiple adapter for your power, this can take up a lot of space, or you have to use the last slot outlet for it. But for most outlet, it should be fine. And let's see here. Yep. So each one has its own power cord, obviously. So this packaging is really nice, and I just wanted to show you what's included. You do have 1 Ethernet wire. It's probably somewhere, probably in this box here. That connects to your modem, and then you have your 3 router, 2 mesh and a home router. So I want to talk more about the coverage here. So some mesh router will have 2, right? And they might promise you 5,000 square feet coverage. The problem with that is if you put it in a corner somewhere, you're not getting the full 5,000 square feet coverage. Now with more mesh placed around your home, you're gonna have a lot better coverage. Even though you have tight walls, or sound dampening walls with a lot of metals inside the wall, that can prevent some of the signal from penetrating. So it's good that this has 3. And the setup is fairly easy. It's going to take a few minutes. You download the app and then follow instructions. A lot of these mesh router, the setup is so simple. You really don't need to look at the manual. You just open up the app and follow the direction at the router, and then sync up all your mesh. And this should support up to 60 plus devices without any issues. This does have a dual band only. In most cases, that should be fine. But then you won't, if you're streaming a lot of 4K on multiple devices, that can slow down the connection speed across the board. Otherwise, it's compatible with Alexa and other smart devices as well. So if you have like a smart bulb, you don't actually need a hub anymore, because this router has the Zigbee hub built inside each of these, I believe. and you can actually control these smart light bulbs or smart light switches, anything compatible with Zigbee products, then you don't need an extra hub. So that's one nice thing about these new Eeros. Even the Eero Pro 6 now have that built in. And I wanted to call that out because it's not advertised anywhere on this box, but it is included with this package. And then we're going to do a speed test on this with an iPhone that with and without Wi-Fi 6 capacity, and we'll see how it performs near the router and near the mesh, and we'll share that with you in a second.